In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox lag. If Roblox is lagging, it usually means there's a problem with your internet connection, graphics settings, or device performance. Here's a list of ways to fix on Roblox depending whether the issue is caused by network lag or game performance lag. First, check internet connection. Use a stable, fast connection, Ethernet, or Wi-Fi. Then restart your router. Close other app using internet like for example YouTube or downloads. Turn off VPNs or proxies. Next, check ping in game with Shift plus F5 over 100 ms is lag. Next, lower graphics. In game, go to settings, graphics mode, then manual. Set graphics to the lowest. On mobile, lower quality in Roblox settings. Next, close background apps. In PC, use Task Manager Control Shift plus Escape to end heavy apps like Chrome or Discord. In mobile, close other apps running in the background. Other fixes: restart your device, update graphics drivers, clear Roblox cache, free up storage on mobile, then, and lastly, turn off battery saver for mobile. And that's it. That's how to fix Roblox lag.